Woo! Double time. Let's go. Alright, watch it. The guy over there? Come on. The guy? Look at it. Double snipe. Alright. Let's go see it from their view. Oops. George, do me a favor, hold this camera. No, it's like kind of video cord. Hold it. Hold it so it's looking at the TV. Quick. Alright. Hold it right. Hold it right there. Don't move it. Don't move it so you can see it.
Give me it.
Go. Alright, well, you're gonna have to wait. Come on. Alright, let's go. Weird. See what happens. Oh, double snipe. Good. Let's watch that again. But we should totally watch that again. Wait. What? Where am I? What did I double snipe for? I don't even know. Shit, there I am. Go over here and watch what happens to these guys. Ready? There's one. Two, double snipe. Oh, okay.
Phonage.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye, Speedy Kitty.